Hello everyone, welcome to Super Simple Coding. In this video, we will learn how to start p5.js. So p5.js is an online editor, which means all you need is a PC with a web browser and an internet connection to get fired up. There is no need for any installation and worrying about low space on your hard disk. First of all, open Google or any other search engine. Type in p5.js, or you can also click on the link in the description box given below. You will land on the introduction page of p5.js. On the left hand side, click on the editor. This will take you to the place where all the action takes place. On the left, we have our workspace. This is the area where we will write the code. On the right side, we have the preview section, where we can see the output. The play button over here will run the code. We will explore these drop-down menus in further videos. This thing over here is the name of our project. These names are auto-generated by p5.js. These are really super funny, and as we create a new file, a new name will be created. And if you want to change it into something meaningful, click on that small pencil icon and just give the project a proper name. I'm going to let it be. And the first thing you need to take care of is that you have to create your own account from the sign up button. You can log in with Google, and if you're a kid, do take your parents' permission before using their email IDs. Now, every project can have multiple files. This is a project name, and if you click on the small arrow over here, you can see all the files inside this project. Every new p5.js project will begin with these 3 files, and we can keep on adding more and more files for bigger projects. We will look into these files later on, and for the sake of simplicity, let's hide this thing for now. We will write the code for drawing in the sketch file. Now, as you create a new file in p5.js, it comes with these 4 pre-written lines over here. Okay? So the first line says function setup, and then there are 2 small brackets followed by a curly one. The word function means a job, a task. I'm commanding the computer to perform a work, but I have to specify what kind of work as well. So setup is the name of the task that needs to be done. As the name suggests, I am asking the machine to set up the initial things for my drawing. So while drawing in real life, what are the things that we need? A canvas. And there are so many kinds of canvases, big, small, colorful. So while drawing on the computer, we have to specify the dimensions of the canvas as well. Now the second line says create canvas. Now I'm asking the computer to create a canvas for me. Now how the canvas is created, that is something I don't have to worry about. The instructions for creating a canvas are present in p5.js library. I just have to use the name of the task and specify the dimensions of the canvas within these 2 small brackets. The first number tells the width and the second one tells the height. The default numbers are 400 and 400. These can be changed as per our requirement. Let's make the width 500 and click on play, so the width has increased. And now let's make it shorter. So I'm going to decrease the height and then click on play. Wow, it became shorter. So depending upon your requirement, you can change the size of this canvas. Now let's talk about all these brackets over here, the small one, the curly one, placed at various places in the code. The smaller bracket tells us that this word is a function name. The bracket can be empty, or it can contain a few details about the function. Like over here, the dimensions of the canvas are mentioned, and over here there's nothing. So functions is one of the most important topics in JavaScript, and we will cover it in detail later on. Now talking about these curly brackets, these are used to signify the start and the end of a block of code. Oopsie, another new term. Well, we will talk about code blocks as well in detail in some other section. As of now, you can think of it as the starting and the end of a normal paragraph of any essay. So these statements inside these curly brackets, they are all related. So it's like a paragraph. And then over here, all the statements are related too. So function draw is the task where we ask the computer to draw things. What to draw is written inside these curly brackets. Background function sets up the background color for the canvas, but that's a number and not a color name. How does that work? Well, let's change it to 0. Well, we got pitch black, and now let's write 255. So we got white color, and anything in between will give us a shade of gray. For 50 it's dark gray, for 150 it's light gray, and so on. We can also write a color name inside these small brackets. The words are always written inside quotes. Most of the common colors are recognized by p5.js. Now, at the bottom we have our console. Console is one of the most important places while creating a project. So all the errors that you will be making in your code, that will be displayed in this area. So if I type a random word in the code, an error will be displayed. It will tell me what is wrong in the code and where that wrong thing is happening, okay? So we can also write messages in the console section. For that, we use the command console.log, and it is followed by 2 small brackets since console.log is a function. Now we need to mention the details, that is what we want to write. So the message will go inside these brackets and the words are enclosed between quotation marks. For writing a number, quotes are not required. Let's try writing a number on the console. Console.log bracket 3. Now let's try placing this instruction at different places in our code. First, we will keep it inside function setup. Let's write one more message in the console section. So all the instructions in a program are performed one by one in the order they are written. They happen at such a huge speed, that it appears as if everything is happening all at once. Now let's place these 2 messages inside the function draw and click on play. Wow, what is happening over there? So many messages, but we just wrote it once, right? So this tells us the main difference between function setup and function draw. All the instructions written over here are performed just once, and the instructions written inside function draw are repeated again and again and again as long as the code is running. So what is actually happening is, background, console.log, then again background, console.log. So these 3 instructions are being performed in a loop. That is, it will keep on happening until and unless you click the stop button. And this unique feature of function draw helps us in creating an animation. We will learn how it's done in future videos. That's all for today. So stay tuned and do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye and have a good day.